What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So here come the shorts again. We get some positive news. We get a barrage of positive news actually for AMC, and the stock still tanks, right? We see it up in the pre-market, and then all of a sudden things are just falling and continue to fall and continue to fall. And yes, you may always assume that it's just day traders that are taking profit, or or swing traders that are taking profit from the previous day. You understand that that could be a situation as well, but not to this extent. Like typically, you see any type of news like this when you don't have shorts that are going into it, you're going to see continuation of this success, continuation of green, especially in the stock market. For the crypto market, if everything is falling, then everything will fall, right? No matter what happens to it, they will play catch up to the market. For the stock market, it's a little bit different. When things have positive news, it can run on its own and it doesn't have to adhere to what the rest of the market is doing. So, anyways, let's get into some news with AMC. We'll get into AMC and what has happened today and why I believe that this is a massive amount of shorts that came in to kind of save the day for them, not really save the day for us. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you guys want to ask me questions or talk about the stock market live, we have a Kick channel that we live stream on. If you guys want to join that, I will put the link to that in the description below. If you want to be a part of that and if you want to ask some questions, typically we go over a lot of crypto stuff. But if you want to talk about some stock related content, feel free to subscribe or follow my Kick. But anyways, let's start with this, where we have some decent news, right? Where AMC reports highest ever monthly revenue after Barbie and Oppenheimer's success after second quarter sales beat expectations. AMC Entertainment third quarter is off to an explosive start because of the successful box office hits of Barbie and Oppenheimer, with the revenue in July. Sorry, there's a fly right here that I had to get, and I think I just got it. With the revenue in July, I didn't get it. I could see it out of the corner of my eye, setting a monthly record for the theater chain. CEO Adam Aron said Tuesday as the company reported an increase in the second quarter revenue. Aaron said the company's second quarter report that releases for Barbie and Oppenheimer, Mission Impossible, Dead Reckoning Part 1, and Sound of Freedom in July had a combined for AMC's highest monthly revenue ever. AMC's total revenue grew by 15.6% year over year, and 1.5 or 1.35 billion in the second quarter from April to June, beating the 1.29 billion expected by analysts, according to Yahoo Finance. As the company recorded a 12% growth in attendance, the net income was 8.6 million after reporting a net loss of 126.6 million in the previous year. The domestic movie industry is 20% ahead of where it was last year, according to Aaron, who said the second half of the year could be better unless ongoing writers and actors strike wind up delaying the release of the movie titles into next year. Shares of AMC, a long-time meme stock that often wildly fluctuates in price, rose 5.6% and 5.4%, or 5 point to $5.4 or $5.41 in the pre-market and trading as of 9:13 a.m. Eastern. Crucial quote: Aaron said AMC was moving with a significant pace in the second quarter after results set a new records and represents AMC's strong second quarter of in 4 full years. 2.3 billion. That's how much AMC has reported in revenue for 2023 through its first two quarters. A 17.9% increase over the previous year. The theater industry. So what's crazy is the fact that we don't know how the strikes are going to affect the rest of the year. We really don't, with not as many movie releases or not as many movies that are going to be created. But you might still have some movie releases that are happening, with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and some Marvel stuff, but even some Marvel stuff have been delayed as well. So either way, we don't know how the rest of it's going to affect the rest of the year. But that's some very, very bullish news to see the highest amount of revenue that you've seen ever in a month is insane. And to see that growth is fantastic. Now, after you get that type of news, you see that things are up again, up to $5.41. But the issue is that it didn't stay there. So as it did increase all the way up to $5, 52 cents, as you saw with, it opened up at $5.42. It did decrease all the way down to $5.02. So decreased heavily. Usually when you see stuff like that, you're going to see some shorts that are coming, or not shorts that are coming in, or not only shorts, but some sell orders that are coming in from the previous day to where people gained quite a bit. They're going to sell some, they're going to take some profit. That's understandable. But to see this partnered in the way that it is and not really see any type of a comeback very, very quickly means that you're not only having those sells that are going through, but you're having a massive amount of shorts that are also going through. I wouldn't be surprised if you see this up in the 50% range, maybe even more than that during that time period. So anyways, as the day was going on, you could see that it did, continue to decrease all the way down to here, but did end up increasing up to the 200 EMA to where it fell down and decreased a little bit more, increased up to the 200 EMA, but then decreased and really was using that 200 EMA all day as a level of, support, really. And looked like it was going to start using it as a level of resistance. It started barcoding with less volume. And now you can see it before it even closed, which we're 10 minutes out from close. By the time this is uploaded, I don't know, what time it will be. But we're 10 minutes out from closing. And we're at about $5.11 down from the previous close of $5.12. $5.11, $5.12. The lowest point today was $4.99, and the highest point was $4.42, which was pretty much in the beginning of the day. $4.46, which was pretty much in the beginning of the day, right? We didn't see anything surpass that point throughout the day. It just kept falling and then consolidating. It really wasn't a good day for that. However, you are seeing a ton of volume that's going through it, right? 27, almost 28 million shares worth of volume, which is higher than the average because there's a lot of shorts that are going through with this. Now, we won't be able to see any of these numbers until tomorrow, but the numbers that I do have as we go back to our browser, we can see that we have 30% short interest of free float. That's still 21.7% higher than the last 3 months. And then we could even go into, I actually wanted to go into the Fintel data. So give me 1 second and we can see what Fintel data has shown for that. I have to type in AMC and we will come up with it somewhere, somehow. There's two flies here. What the hell is going on with this? Quickly, let me do this before I, get these flies. We're seeing this at around 43% short interest of free float. So it continues. It's not as bad as 55% or 60 or even 70%, but we are seeing, that short interest data that's right here, as you can see that. So anyways, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. It's crazy to me how much shorts we're seeing and how much manipulation is going into the stock market, but hopefully, with this positive change and we could see this continuation of revenue increasing and hopefully expenses falling off and we can see the overall net revenue just getting better, that would be fantastic for the business and fantastic for investors. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.